In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card on an LG Nexus 4 smartphone. Right over here is the SIM card tray. And what you need to do is you need to insert a SIM card tray removal tool, or you can use a pin and just insert it in this hole right here and then push the pin in and then the SIM tray will come out. Now this particular phone uses a micro SIM card, so I'm going to install one right now. And there you go. That is how to install a SIM card on an LG Nexus 4 smartphone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.